Well, good day and welcome to a new edition of TripleChip's Unbox the Box, where today we're going to be featuring the REDGARD. It's a waterproof and crack prevention membrane. So what this is going to be used for, once you get up your cement board, but the technology behind this is it creates a rubber bond, and then you do your mortar and your tiles over it, but it makes it basically like a submarine. It's completely waterproof. You pick this up at your Home Depot. It's pretty pricey. It's $93.87, and that's for 3.78 liters or 1 US gallon. It's pricey, but it's worth it. If you just do it like this and put your mortar, your shower might last about 10 years. This is going to create a lifetime bond on it. So when you're using this, make sure you wear rubber gloves, some type of probably N95 mask or better. So when you're going to put this on, it's going to be pink inside. I'll show you this in a second here, and then when it's done, it's going to turn red. And I'll be featuring, I'm just going to give you some of the details in this video. But tune to my TripleChip Adventures blog, where I'll be showing actually putting the application on. This stuff is ready to use. Roll it on, quick dry formula, 30% faster drying. It's listed with IAPMO for use as a shower pan liner. So this is what the pros use. I'll just show you what it looks like inside. Pop this over with my fingers. Let me go down lower so I can pop it. Well, let's use a screwdriver, but whoa, knocked the handle off. Almost got it. I'm already getting it on my hands. And that's what we're dealing with. You see how it's all pinkish inside? After it dries, it's going to turn a nice bright red. That's when you know you can put your second coat on. That's about it for this edition of TripleChip's Unbox the Box Home Renovation Edition. So just make sure you're tuned into my other channel. That's TripleChip Adventures blog, where I'll be showing the application of this. And this washes off. Just wash it off right away. But use rubber gloves when you're applying. I got some on my fingertips already. But until next time, you all have a great day. Catch you on my other channel so you can see the application of this. This blog is over.